Iftar is incomplete without chana, so today I'll share with you all the recipe of chana. Without trying, you'll never know how delicious this recipe is, so please try out my recipe. And kindly subscribe if you are new to this channel. This is a gram soaked overnight. Add the gram and half a glass of water, 2 medium-sized onions chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. We'll now add our powder masala, turmeric powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder, salt and some oil, approx 2 tablespoons of oil. Now cover with a lid and pressure cook until the gram turns soft. Do not overcook the grams. I have given here 3 whistles, and after 3 whistles, I'll open the lid. Now after opening the lid, cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the water gets dry completely. When the water is dry, slow down the flame to medium, and on a medium flame, cook gram for 5 to 8 minutes until it starts leaving oil. So it has started leaving oil. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes more on a low flame. And it is done. We'll now take it out in a plate and garnish with the salad of your choice. Here I have split chickpeas salad, chana dal salad. Please try out my recipe and give me your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak.